Well, the Nerp the Derp issued another alert. What is it? Yes, I just called it the Nerp the Derp. It's because it is a derp. I'm kidding. Oh my god. Hawaii required monthly test. Yes. Hawaii required monthly test. First alert in Hawaii. Or for Hawaii. On my channel.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations in Hawaii. As a reminder, the regular monthly test of the live audio broadcast segment and all hazard outdoor warning siren system for public safety will be conducted at 11:45 a.m. from emergency management authorities. Hawaii's warning sirens are used to alert the public to any emergency that may pose a threat to life or property.
Like,
the sound of the sirens is to alert
Pittsburgh.
residents to turn on a radio or television for information and instruction for an impending emergency. Instruction may also be provided by a cellular wireless emergency alert sent from the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. We now return you to the regular station programming.
That is literally my first alert that I caught for Hawaii.